I don't know why you're here.
Okay.
You could be a terrorist.
He's trespassed.
Georgia transparency hot again at the Chambers County Courthouse. It's like a really old building, really old. Looks like it's been restored just a little bit here. That's a nice entrance there. It was hard finding the entrance. I went around the building like a couple of times and there's just signs all over the door. How you doing? Is this how we come in?
Yes, I'm coming right around this way.
Okay, cool. Cool beans.
Oh, Michelle.
Camera there. Alright, employees only beyond that point. That's a courtroom, so we're not going over there. This is a nice building. That's a nice building.
No, I believe anything. I'm just trying to get some knowledge. And I think you got a good knowledge. We did an article here in Chambers County. And we tried to track some
Oh, that's an old picture. Express vote? That's pretty cool.
It's branded as CTFE. That's what
I do.
You recording?
Oh, yes, sir.
Okay, it will be a contempt of court by order of the circuit judge not to record within the courthouse grounds unless we can get, if you've got making a documentary or something like that.
Oh, I am.
Okay. Can I have your name and
Oh, no, sir, I don't give my name out.
I don't know why you're here.
Okay.
You could be a terrorist.
Okay.
Okay, so I have to identify you.
Okay. Am I detained?
We ask you to stop recording now.
Okay. Do I need to leave?
You don't have to leave, but stop recording.
Okay. Yeah, I wanted to know what this office provides and everything. And for the citizens of the citizens of
Chambers County?
yes, ma'am, Chambers County.
This is the clerk's office.
Okay, everything gets filed through here
Yes, sir.
and everything. Okay, for like court cases and stuff like that.
And who are you?
Oh, I'm Georgia Transparency. My name's Russ, and your name, ma'am?
Jane.
Jane. Okay. All right. Cool. All right.
Are you with a certain company?
I'm with the press, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes. Okay. All right. Have a good day, ma'am.
You too.
Thank you. Alright, so we've been told we're not allowed to record inside the building. So I went live because I think I'm fixing to get arrested. What's up, man? That's cool. He said I was a terrorist. Is your captain here?
Captain?
Yeah, the guy that came up to me in the circuit clerk's office.
He's in the courtroom talking to the judge.
Oh, okay. Alrighty. I'm still recording. So I'm in a public area. And I just went live to preserve my video footage. So if y'all want to arrest me, then by all means arrest me. So I'm still going to continue to film. And I'm still going to continue to take pictures inside of this building. And I'm telling you that that's what I'm going to do. And no one's going to stop me from doing it. I'm not going in the courtroom, and I'm not going in any restricted areas. I'm in public areas only. You probably need to let that captain know that, because he may catch a lawsuit for that.
Okay.
So I'm just letting you know.
Well, can I let you know something?
Yes, sir.
Okay. If that judge in there orders us to remove you from the property, then unfortunately that's what we have to do.
Okay, even without me committing a crime?
If the commission, if the people that own this building,
He's the one, he just called me a terrorist.
no,
I said, I don't know that you're not a terrorist, and we like to identify.
Did you talk to the judge?
Yes, I just did.
I'm allowed to film in here.
No, he's no recording in the courthouse, unless you let us know who you are.
I don't have to, sir. I haven't committed any crimes.
We don't know who you are.
You don't have to know who I am.
With all the school shootings and stuff that happened right
I don't
now.
care about that, sir. You don't have to know who I am. I haven't committed a crime.
we can also do something else. Regina oversees the property.
She could no
She
trespassing.
could have him.
So you're going to trespass me from a public property without committing a crime?
When you come inside of a building, a normal person would want to know why. I mean, you've already made some people uncomfortable.
Their feelings don't trump my rights, sir.
Okay, you've already made people uncomfortable that are employees.
That doesn't matter,
They
sir.
are employees.
You like making people feel uncomfortable.
I'm not. Their feelings don't trump my rights to film in public, sir.
If you're in here
Excuse me, sir.
harassing our employees,
I'm not harassing anybody.
If you're making them
are
uncomfortable, it's
you an
considered.
Are you an Alabama resident?
I don't answer questions, sir.
Okay, if you're not an Alabama resident, you might want to stop recording and read the Alabama law of harassment.
I haven't been harassing anybody. How is me filming in a public space harassing somebody?
Read the law of harassment, because we have employees. Okay, we have employees in this building. All right, and if they feel threatened, annoyed, alarmed because of the way you're acting, then yes, sir.
I haven't said anything to anybody.
If you are making them feel uncomfortable, that's what I'm trying to make you understand.
Okay.
I'm trying to
Okay.
be respectful.
Oh, yes, sir. Yes, sir. Look, let me ask you this, sir. Can I ask you something, sir?
Sure.
So is one of your employees being felt uncomfortable? Is that a statute, a state law, federal law, or anything?
Read Alabama harassment statute.
But what if I feel uncomfortable because he approached me and called me a terrorist?
He didn't call you a terrorist. He said, we don't know if you're not a terrorist.
But why would he say that? Why would he say, I don't know if you're just a normal person?
Because you're inside of because people don't come in here and record our building.
Well, I'm allowed to, sir. I pay for this building.
We don't know that.
You pay for this building too.
We don't know that you've paid for this building.
And I don't know if you
that
paid
you're-
for it.
We don't know that you're an Alabama citizen.
You don't have to know.
We don't know anything.
You don't have. I haven't committed a
Hey,
crime.
I'm going to tell you this much, sir. I'm going to sit here with you all day long
Ow, awesome.
until your battery goes dead.
That's
because
fine.
I love people like you.
Major T.J. Wood, Chambers County Sheriff's Department.
Yeah, I love people like you.
We're at the Chambers County Courthouse, and we're live right now. So you got a lot of people watching you.
Well, hey, can I give on my Facebook page?
Sure.
So, because I love people and I love what you're doing, because you're trying to alert everybody of what's going on, and I'm good with it. I'm good with you having rights. I'm good with you trying to do what you're doing. What you're doing doesn't bother me.
It seems to bother him though.
It doesn't bother me. And you know what? It's fine. I don't care. As long as you understand that I have to protect the employees within this courthouse.
Okay, but
Okay.
did you swear an oath, sir?
I sure did.
And what's the First Amendment?
I am going to protect the employees inside of this building because that's my responsibility.
What are the 5 elements of the First Amendment?
I'm going to protect
Okay, have a good
my
day, sir.
citizens.
And we're staying out of the courtrooms. Oh, so this is a nice picture right here. Now this sends it back. So I picked it up, and then that's what happened.
Sorry, we got off on the wrong foot. You know,
Oh, no, back up, sir. I didn't walk up on you.
I'm going to the office and you were standing in my way. Okay.
Hey, sir, Captain.
Yes.
I'm sorry. You said wrong foot. What do you mean, sir?
I'm sorry, me and you got off the wrong foot. It's just I have a disturbance calling. Look at
Oh, so I'm allowed to record in here.
We're contacting the county attorney, I'm sure.
Oh, okay. Oh, thank you, Captain. Thank you, sir.
We record too. So
Thank you, sir. I don't appreciate being called a terrorist either.
we don't know that you're a terrorist.
Hey, will you do me a favor? Will you let her know?
Yeah, I agree. This place is, how you doing, man? Juvenile hall. So now, before we were rudely interrupted in here, I'm gonna finish getting my pictures. So there's an old thing there. And here's an old, picture here as well. This is an old one.
You can't record in this office.
Is this not a public area?
It is, but this office does not allow photographing.
Oh, why?
It's the policy of the court system that this office does not allow.
So the policy trumps law,
The law is that you cannot record in this office.
but I'm allowed to film anywhere in a public space.
Not in this office, you cannot.
Why?
Because I'm the circuit clerk and I said you are not allowed to
Oh,
record in this office.
okay. I want to disagree with you because I
Okay.
think I can.
You cannot in this office. Do I need to get security to escort you out?
He just talked to me. He just didn't talk to the judge, and I'm perfectly fine in the areas in here.
Would you call and get security up here?
Lisa, do you have the number of
So again, I come back in here to document some pictures and stuff, some old stuff on the wall, and again, I'm interrupted.
You can document the pictures, but anything else in this office you cannot record.
But ma'am, I'm in public.
I understand that. And I said you can take pictures of the pictures hanging on the wall, but anything else in this office you cannot record.
Oh, I want to disagree with you on that,
I don't care if you disagree or not.
but we're not in a courtroom, ma'am.
Explain to him that he cannot record in this office. I told him he could take pictures of the pictures hanging on the wall,
What's the
but he cannot
difference?
record anything else in this office.
Miss Lisa, this is your state office.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, this is your state office. Do you not want him in your office?
I do not want him recording in this office. I told him he could take still shots of the photographs on the wall, but nothing else.
This is the actual clerk of this particular office. She is the boss of this
Okay.
office. She is the elected official for this office.
Okay.
Okay? If she doesn't want you in this office, I'm gonna have to ask you to leave this office because at this point she's asking you to leave her office, okay?
Okay, if I don't leave this area, what will happen?
Then she is gonna be the one that trespasses you because this is her office.
I'll take a trespass.
Okay? That's Miss Lisa.
I've told him that he could take still photographs. He's filming now. I want the filming stopped now.
No, ma'am, I'm live. This is for my protection.
I want him removed them because I've told him
I will take
not to film in this office.
Captain, I'm sorry, Major Wood. I will not resist you. If you arrest me, I will go quietly and peacefully.
Can you walk with me?
And-
Can you walk with me down here?
Are you going to trespass me?
Will you walk with me down here for just a few
No,
minutes?
sir.
And let me.
Sir, I'm in a public area.
I understand public areas. I fully understand. Me
Hold
and
on,
you
sir.
talk.
Let's kind
Me
of
and you
create some
talk.
distance here. I'm sorry.
Hey, look, listen, okay? I'm gonna tell you like this, okay? I'm a godly man
Okay.
who is gonna love you in every way, shape, fashion, and form, okay?
Okay.
Every way. But I have to, unfortunately, do my job.
Okay.
And this lady right here, who is an elected official for Chambers County,
Okay.
who oversees the business of this office,
Okay.
you know, who wants to take care of her employees.
Okay.
Like I explained to you a few minutes ago, the Alabama statute states certain things, okay?
Okay.
And I don't want to have to arrest you. I don't want to affect your amendments, your rights. I don't want to have to, okay?
Okay.
That I don't want to do. What I
Okay.
want to do is I want to help you understand.
Okay.
Okay? I want to help you understand that when you trespass from something, criminal trespassing is criminal trespassing, okay?
Okay.
You can be criminal. Have you ever been to Walmart?
Sir, we're not in Walmart. That's a private company.
But it's public property.
No, it's not. Walmart's private property.
If you're there, if the public is rightfully allowed there to shop, to go and do business there, it's the same thing right here. Okay?
I want to disagree with you, sir.
Okay, well, we can agree to disagree.
I'm gonna film in here. I'm gonna
Look,
continue
what
to
I told
film.
you a while ago.
I will leave under threat of duress. Under threat of arrest.
Okay.
I will leave, and I need her name.
Okay. Well,
Name's on the door.
unfortunately, here's the thing. Like I told you earlier, if you're going to record, then I don't care if you record.
Then why don't you care if I'm recording in here? It's a public. This public area is the same as that public area.
Because this is a state room. This
Doesn't
is
matter.
a rented room right here.
Doesn't matter.
All right. This here is the clerk's office.
It doesn't matter.
Okay.
What they have secure and secret over there that I don't have access to.
Mm-hmm.
It's their job and their position to keep it private, so I don't get to see
Like
it.
I tried to explain to you a while ago. Please look up the law of harassment. Because if you annoy these ladies and make them feel threatened, if you make them
Then arrest me for harassment.
Okay?
Arrest me for harassment right now.
But if they don't want you here, you can still be arrested for trespassing, even if it's public.
All right, Major Wood, can I make a statement?
Hey,
What is you said harassment. I'm in here, freedom of the press, in a public area, filming public things. I'm over here taking pictures of everything. She approaches me and tells me I'm not allowed to film in here. She made contact with me. How am I harassing her?
she has employees.
My work area.
You're a public employee, ma'am. If you
She has employees.
if you don't like this, I
They-
suggest get seek employment in the private sector, ma'am.
They may not, but they can request you not film them.
They can request, but I can politely decline.
If they don't want to
And I
be,
can politely ask you to leave my.
But then I'm going to need to be trespassed.
Ow. I am going to do everything I can do to take care of this.
I appreciate that.
What you looking at?
Sir?
What you looking at?
Sir?
I asked you where you looking at.
I'm looking at them.
No, you're standing.
Oh, because you come over here. I feel like you're about to make contact with me.
That's fine. You can tell me. I'm not working in this courthouse.
Well, are you a county employee?
It's none of your business.
Okay. You have a badge number?
I don't work for this county.
I'm sorry?
I don't work for this county.
Okay. Well, I'm not leaving. Okay. Well, I'm not leaving. I'm a citizen as well.
Take that phone and throw it out in the road when you go get it.
Sir, I really wish you wouldn't come take my phone and touch me.
I'm not gonna touch you. I'm gonna touch that phone.
No, you're not.
You're not gonna bother this woman.
Sir, you're not. Sir, you're not going to touch my phone.
So, are you threatening
Sir,
me?
I'm not threatening you, sir. You just threatened me to take my phone and throw it in the road.
I
said,
am
"Put your phone,
asking you
please."
to leave my office
Leave his phone
because you
alone.
are creating a conflict in my office, and I am politely asking you to leave.
No, I'm going to have to be trespassed.
He's trespassing because he is.
Okay, I'll give you my
creating a
information,
conflict.
and I want a piece of paper that I've been
He is
trespassed.
creating a
Is
conflict
that
in
good?
my office.
Okay, we're trespassed from this office. Oh, I'm sorry, sir. Go ahead. I don't like people behind me.
I don't like people behind me either. I'm law enforcement.
I don't care. I haven't committed any crimes.
So
You have, does he have the opportunity to leave, right?
yeah, he's
Oh, I'm being trespassed though. Oh, okay. We're being trespassed. Okay. So we've been trespassed from the. What crime are you trespassing me for, sir?
You can't be in there with her annoying her business.
I wasn't annoying her, sir.
You're good.
I wasn't annoying her. She approached me and asked me questions.
You got to
Your feelings don't
understand.
matter to us like yours doesn't, ours doesn't matter to you.
Oh, wow. Okay.
I'm using your words, sir.
Okay. So can I go down here then?
I don't care, man. You go wherever you want to go.
I thought I was trespassed from the building.
You're trespassing from that office.
Oh, I need a paper then. Let me give you my ID. Let me give you my information. You got a pen? I don't have my ID on me.
I don't have a pen on me.
Oh, you want to go ahead and start running my stuff then? Because I want to trespass from that office.
Okay.
I'm not leaving until I get something. Either I go to jail, or 2, I get something that I'm trespassed from that office.
That's all.
Okay, then I'm going to go back in there.
Why?
Because it's a public area, sir.
Are you making a point?
No.
I love you.
No.
Yeah, I do.
If you want to handcuff me and take me to jail,
Can I be the...
no, sir. No, sir. I don't like to be
I'm a
touched.
loving person.
No, sir. I do not want to be touched.
You're...
No, sir. I do not want to be touched.
When was the last time somebody talked to you about your Lord and Savior?
I know all about that.
Do you?
Yes, and I'm here for something else at this
But I
moment in
am.
time. Okay.
But I am. And I want to talk to you about it.
Okay.
I do. I really want to do, because it talks about loving thy neighbor. And
One second. I'm sorry.
I'm going to love my neighbor.
I'm sorry,
I'm
one
gonna
second.
love you like you're my neighbor.
Can I ask you one question first?
Sure.
Actually, 2 questions.
Sure.
And if you can answer these questions,
Sure.
I will turn around and I will walk out this building.
Sure.
What crime have I committed? And am I going to get a trespass notice? A paper notice?
The clerk in there asked us to trespass you. We are verbally notifying you that you were trespassed from that portion of the building.
Okay. And we've confirmed that that is a public area.
Even though it's a public area.
So anywhere else in the building I can go?
Hey, me and you're gonna walk all over this building. We're gonna
Okay, because I haven't gone down here yet.
By the time this is over and done with,
Hey, sir. Hey, Captain. Hey, let me tell you something, sir. Let me explain something to you. I'm a veteran.
Thank you for your service.
I retired out of the United States Army
Thank you.
with freaking combat deployments, guy.
I appreciate
And for you to come in there and explain to me like I'm a terrorist, we don't know about terrorists. I'm a freaking disabled veteran, dude.
I appreciate what you.
You need to honor your freaking oath. You took an oath.
I was just asking, how do we?
What
know
are the
you're
fi-
not? How do we know you're not?
How do you know exactly?
I guess it's.
Have I given any indications that I'm a terrorist? Because I walk in with a freaking camera?
How do I know that you're not the person that was stalking one of our employees out of that office and have a protection order against?
You don't.
That's why I had to ask you your name.
But I'm not giving you my name.
I get it. I get it.
And that eats you alive that I'm not giving you my name.
But I'm respecting your rights now.
You are. Because we did get started off on the wrong foot. I do appreciate that. You, Captain, you need to inform this major what public area is, because y'all are setting yourselves up for a big lawsuit right now.
Understood.
I'm letting y'all know.
I understand. We've had people come in before want to film, and we go, "What? No, this is it's a beautiful building. Hey, what's your name? Let's get." And he did a little production, and he had even had a drone in here.
That's on him to provide it. That's a different situation. I'm a private person. You cannot ID me unless you need reasonable, articulable suspicion that I've committed a crime.
I get it.
And I'm told I'm being trespassed. Hold on, sir. I'm told I'm being trespassed from my office without a crime being committed. So therefore, why aren't y'all demanding my ID now, lawfully?
But you wouldn't give it to us.
But if I'm demanding it lawfully, then you can just arrest me and take me to jail for refusing to ID as well. Sir, you're not making any sense. Think about the logical standpoint of the situation.
When you were in combat, you were protecting your fellow.
Sir, me being in combat in Afghanistan or Iraq has nothing to do with this right here.
You were protecting others. That's clear.
But sir, I wasn't in there causing any problems. They approached me. I was in there filming and taking pictures. If they would have just been quiet, I could have got my footage. Would have took me maybe a minute or two. I would have been out of there.
We do have a young female in there that has been terrorized.
I don't care. That's not my problem.
That's my problem, though. I want to make sure.
I'll call you back.
I want to make sure she was okay. Didn't know that you weren't in there harassing and filming her for more exploitation.
It doesn't matter.
It does.
No, it doesn't.
If it was your sister, it wouldn't matter.
No, it doesn't. Then my sister would maybe need to work in the private sector if she's afraid to be filmed in public. Did you know that the U.S. Supreme Court has ruled this already? There's tons of case law against this.
You're still here.
Yes, I'm still here. Because I said I was trespassed out of that office, not the court, not the building.
Hey, y'all.
And I'm waiting on my trespass paper. And you said you gave it to me verbally, so I'll accept that as it being verbally. I will accept that. So what happens if I go back into that office?
She's not gonna let you. Unfortunately, she can't. She won't let you come back in there.
Nobody wants to go there.
But what if I walk back in there because it's a public area? Is this the city attorney?
You can be, this thing, that's where you're mistaken too. You're under the impression you're in a city building.
This is a county building.
This is the courthouse.
The courthouse, sir. I'm not allowed to film in the courtroom without the judge's permission. I didn't go in the courtroom. I haven't gone in any restricted areas. And you saw me respect that sign down there. I'm in public areas, sir. Just so you know, y'all might get... This is...
Aren't y'all both veterans? Both of y'all are veterans, right? Thank you for your service. Hey, aren't you a veteran? Thank you for your service.
So we've been kicked out of a public area of the courthouse without committing a crime and trespassed. So how can I be trespassed from the old building to the new, like, annex or something?
No, it's just expanded.
Ah, okay.
The old courtroom wasn't big enough because it was just one courtroom. Years ago, it was just one courtroom.
Is this a public office? Is this a public office? Pistol permits. It's got a lock on there, so we're not going to try to go in there.